Spaceship, yeah. From the stars coming far like a comet. No, I got it, yeah. Taking off with
Alpha team clear. Heading to surface.
All teams, eyes on target. Phase 1 complete.
Charlie copies. We're set.
Roger that. Moving to phase 2. Patrol boat 2 o'clock. Get under.
Stay tight. Roger, no movement.
Good hook. Let's get up top.
All teams, Alpha's on the axe. What's your status? Bravo's over the DZ.
Charlie standing by.
Nods on. Shrugs on.
Keep it quiet. Bravo is inbound. Solid copy. Move to set. Drop him. Bravo inbound. All teams, Bravo's on deck. Push it up. Alpha to Charlie, you set?
Affirm.
All teams, green to go in phase 2.
Check.
Roger. Moving interior. All clear.
Descending stairwell, south side.
All shooters be advised, enemies launching an attack bird. Copy, we're heads up. Odds off.
Movement in the courtyard. Looks like a prisoner transfer.
Not our guy, on me. We hold for Charlie to light the fire, then head for the hatch in the courtyard to move interior. Hold up here. All teams, Alpha's in position. Copy, Bravo set.
Charge is hot. Charlie good to go.
Fire in the hole, stand by.
3, 2, 1, execute.
Reinforcement! Shooters, second floor, windows.
Roger, windows!
Clear. 2-1, rally the hatch for entry.
Enemies incoming. Get on the ground.
Bravo. Alpha's in the tunnels. What's your status? Outside the control room, waiting on you. Copy. At the air duct. Stand by.
All teams, let's roll Thunder. Bravo, pull the plug.
Roger. Blackout in 3, 2, 1. Execute. All teams, Bravo's got the keys. Copy. Target the guards only. Use the inmates for cover when we kick off the riot. Roger, guards only. Clear. More in the cell blocks left side. Smoke them. Push down. Hold. Stay high. Kill those flashlights.
Bravo, kick off the riot.
Roger. Opening blocks 1 through 4. Watch your shots for 1. Dead prisoners can't riot. Clear. Check the next cell block. Stay sharp. Guards know where we are. Bravo. Open cell blocks on level 2.
Drop them.
Copy.
Let's go.
Okay. Contact. Clear.
Block is clear. Heading down.
Alpha 1 to Bravo 1. Open 55C. Check.
Alpha moving to sub-level X4.
Contact. Clear. Alpha moving on sub-level. Let's get our guy.
Ready, breach. Breach, you up. Alpha's on target, stand by. Flare. Step into the light.
Сколько ж времени прошло, Ваня?
All stations PID on 627.
Copy. Opening 627.
Железный план.
Любой план зависит от его выполнения. Это только начало.
All teams, we have him. Moving in 30. Для меня это большая честь, командир Макар.
6 лет.
22 дня, 4 часа.
Браток. Рад видеть вас обоих. Тебя тоже.
Что вы добились в этой камере?
Это только верхушка айсберга. All stations, this is your commander, Vladimir Makarov. Call sign Tsar 90 actual. I have the com. Move to phase 3. Out. On me. Vanya, I trust the exfil plan is intact.
Так точно, командир. We head up the elevator and walk out the front door.
Хорошо. Чем проще, тем лучше. До поры до времени.
Contact!
Let's go!
Andrei, gear up and let's move. Grab what you need. Quickly to one. Take what you want. The guards won't be needing it.
Clear.
Alpha 2-1 to Charlie. Actual secure, we're moving to Xville. Приготовиться.
Alpha 1 ascending an elevator, actual secure. Prep for exfil. How copy?
All stations, topside is hot, topside is hot. Troops in contact.
Copy, stand by. Охрана блокирует право наверху. Задерживаем вертолет.
Скоро поднимутся зэки, чтобы отвлечь охрану. Это наш шанс. Задержка увеличит риск. Андрей, who holds power in this gulag? The guards or the prisoners? Which is it, Браток?
The prisoners.
Yes, Andrei. That's why the guards need guns. Молодец, воин. Покажите это своими действиями. За мной!
All stations, we got an MG nest active on the watchtower.
Zartu Raptor, requesting immediate fire on the courtyard tower.
After that, Raptors inbound. Raptor to ground. Target acquired. Danger close.
Copy, rain fire!
Shots out, shots out. Box 2. Direct. Target destroyed. Stations, we got an MG nest active on the watchtower. After that, Raptors inbound. Raptor to ground. Target acquired. Danger close.
Copy, rain fire!
Shots out. Box 2. Direct. Target destroyed.
Get to the tunnel, that's our exit.
Heads up! Enemy helo is overhead.
Should have taken it out when you had the chance.
Don't worry, it's focused on the...
All troops to the tunnel now!
We're clear. Let's go. Charlie, we're coming to you now.
Clear everybody! Let's go!
Charlie was supposed to handle that helo.
If it was a problem, you should have dealt with it! Follow the cliffside to the water! Our boats will provide covering fire!
Shooters on the wall.
Ignore them! Get to the boat! Андрей, давай! Должники! Командир! Тут нет должников! Есть только преданность! Непоколебимая преданность!
Watcher to Bravo, over.
As well, go for 6.
John, Makarov is out.
Say again, Laswell.
Makarov is out. He's on the move, John.
Aboard! Turn us around! Turn us around now!
Shadow 2, Kilo actual. At the port now. Will confirm when cargo's in my possession. Stand by.
Roger that, Kilo.
We good to go?
So far.
This is a game changer.
Let's hope we never have to use them. In Tibu, Hawalei Con. Stay on comms.
Roger that.
Dina. Farah. أمك منيحة؟ هي قوية مثلك. يلا. عملت كل شي طلبتيه. حويتك مأمنة والمرسق فاضي ما في حدا غيرنا. والمينا؟ مسكر من امبارح. منيح. فرح. أنا ما خصني بس قوليلي هالهاوية أكيد كتير مهمة. أكيد. بعد كل هالسنين صارت أوزبكستان سالمة. نحن عم نعيش حياتنا. ترجاكي اعملي كل شي بوجهدك نضل هيك. نحن كلنا معك. ايه أكيد. حويتك موجودة دينا! تكبر! تكبر!
This is Echo 3-1. Troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down. I say again, troops in the open, taking effective fire from multiple locations.
Copy that. Hold your position. Shadow 01 to Kilo. Do you read me? Kilo, Vera, do you copy?
This is Kilo. We were ambushed. Dina is KIA.
It's Coney. They're everywhere, Commander.
The missiles. They're going for the missiles.
We can't let them do that, Vera.
I need weapons.
Look for containers with the Shadow insignia. They'll have what you need to fight Coney.
You were shipping more than just missiles.
Plenty more. Lucky for you. Commander, I have GPS trackers on the ships. Plant those on the missiles. We'll never lose visual.
I still need to locate the containers. Dina would have known where to find them.
Shipping manifest will be in the Harbor Master's office.
The tower.
Affirmative.
Copy that. Hostile JLTV's patrol.
These spot shooters will come right for you. Think you're made, Kilo.
Making my way to the tower.
Keep moving. Good kill, Kilo.
Closing on the tower.
Is that him, the fuck? Tower's third floor office likely has the records. Enemy reinforcements incoming.
Is a cruise missile usually necessary?
You tell me.
Manifest should be nearby.
Search Dina's office, third floor. Manifest might be there.
The manifest can't be far.
Harbor Master's office should be on the third floor. Check there.
At the third floor. Office is close.
Start at the desk. Manifest should be there.
Located the manifest.
Excellent. The GPS trackers are on the ship. Time to get them. Good takedown, Kilo.
Your ship's full of hostiles.
Without the trackers, we won't be able to recover it. Watch your ass down there, Farah. They can dish it out, doubt they can take it. Show them who's boss.
Making my way towards the ship.
Taylor. Sounds like they found you. Farah, get out of there.
Getting in the driver's seat. Never think to move. Hostiles under the wheels. Approaching the cargo ship. Ran that one down. Vehicle needs repairs. Eyes on the sender cable. I'm on the ship.
The tracker should be in the control room on the bridge.
Trackers must be around here.
Go to the bridge. Check for the trackers in the control room.
Sending out the UAV. Got to find the trackers.
Go to the bridge. Check for the trackers in the control room.
Nearing the bridge on the trackers.
Check the table. They're probably right there.
GPS in my possession, one. Graves, sending you the info from the manifest.
Got it. Cross-referencing with our container numbers. Okay. Time to plant those trackers on the missiles. Check the cranes. They may be loading another one of those containers now.
Copy. I'll check high and low and find both. Kilo actual to 3-1. What's your status?
Holding them off. They got reinforcements heading your way.
I'll take care of them. Hold your ground out there, Alex. I need you alive.
Same, Kilo. Echo out.
Going for a missile container.
They're hunting for you. Stay low. Tony's coming for you, Farah.
Containers up above.
Watch your ass. They'll alert the whole damn port. Stay out of sight, Tony's. There's enemy fire! Bang a damn beauty. Good attack. Coney's coming to get you, Farah. Expect heavy contact. Sat him the fuck down.
First one down.
Halfway there. One container left. You got this, Kilo.
Pushing to the next container.
Put the tracker on the missile container as soon as you can, Kilo. Good takedown, Kilo.
Located the other one.
Get that tracker on. We already lost one.
All stations, last tracker on. Coney's leaving with both the missiles.
Solid copy. You did what needed to be done, Barra. Make sure you do the rest.
Echo, how copy?
Loud and clear, Farah. Cody's pulling up stakes. They got what they wanted.
We live to fight another day. It's not over.
I go to Kilo. You clear?
All clear. Press up.
Roger. Coming your way.
سامحيني يا دينا. رح خليهم يتفاوتوا من بوعدك.
Commander?
Our missiles were meant to be a deterrent. Peace through strength.
It always finds its way back to this place.
It never left.
Russia wants this country.
They can't have it.
What's next?
Tracking those containers.
I'm coming with you.
No. Take care of our KIA and alert our forces. Tell them Russia's back in Urzikstan.
Shadow Company's got skin in the game. They're gonna want a piece of this.
True. There's someone else I have to contact first.
Милена,
С возвращением, Владимир.
ты создала для нас армию?
Дело выгодное и правое.
My comrades, we stand reunited! For your efforts in my absence and our success today, I offer you praise. И наказание. Иван, из-за того, что ты отверг мой план, мы потеряли драгоценное время. Время решает все.
Командир, я принял правильное решение.
Каждый несет ответственности за свои ошибки. Андрей, ты доказал свою преданность. Теперь ты моя правая рука.
Спасибо, командир.
My fellow warriors, I wasn't here, but I was always with you. Since then, our enemies have grown stronger. The ULF has stolen back control of Urzikstan. The time has come for us to show them the meaning of true power. This is a battle of perception. A lie flies while the truth only crawls. If you control what people believe, you control the world. This is our weapon. And we will use it as a tool of war to restore glory to Russia. The real Russia! The West, they love their choices. They will have only one. To respond On our terms. Каждая секунда на счету.
When Makarov escaped, he mobilized his army on multiple fronts. Kony Group hit the Urzikstan port before sunrise. Farah was there.
She hurt?
Negative. Her team engaged, took casualties. Left Kony with a kill count of her own.
Good on you, Farah. What'd they get from the port?
A shipment of American missiles.
Kony's got their own missiles. What does Makarov want these for?
We need to find out. I'm tracking them now. Once I get a fix, we'll action it.
You said multiple fronts, Laswell. Give us a target.
Kony forces are converging on a nuclear power plant in Urzikstan as we speak.
Is the plant active?
Abandoned when the ULF beat Barkov.
Then what's there?
All four of you, as soon as you can.
Rog, Ghost and I'll recce the plant. Soap and gas secure the perimeter. If Makarov's going nuclear, we'll stop him in his tracks. Solid copy. Let's get after it, Bravo.
1 minute! Tight! Quite's good to go!
That's our gear on the ground if we need it. We will.
Ramp!